always been a mess, but still I feel blessed. My life has always been a mess, but still I feel blessed. Fuck that stress. I'm back on my hustle like never before. Feeling this high cause I'm back in my zone. Trying to better my life, but the hood is my home. Let them know it's hoods up, so my hoodie is on. Feeling like fuck my life, so much hate in my heart, but I love my wife. Love for Mama Cruz, she tell me I'm a winner when I feel like I'ma lose. This is just what I'ma do, I'ma win on them, baby, I'ma win on them. See these suckers me mugging, all I do is grin on them. I be going in on them, show you that it's real. I do what I want and I say what I feel. Hustle for a meal, dreaming of a meal. Sell a couple pills, might pop one, two. Pop one, pop two, pop three. Looking in the mirror, what I see is not me. What I see is my dad, except I'm not him. I'm more of a man. Even though I'm his kid, thinking I'ma die like him, I'll be damned. So I'm going in every time like splash. Always on the newest shit like a hashtag. All I do is hustle hard cause I need cash bad. I know that's sad, but it is what it is. Shooting for the stars even though I might miss. My life has always been a mess, but still I feel blessed. My life has always been a mess, but still I feel blessed. Fuck that stress.
I feel blessed, still stressed, feeling not as good as the rest. Or the rest are just better than me. You don't feel how I feel. You don't feel when I bleed. Wear my heart on my sleeve. I put it back in my chest. When I fall to my knees, through my soul hear me scream. Through my mind hear me breathe. Young trying to succeed. Hey, can I reach that? It's like a nigga can't reach that. To have heart, you can't teach that. But watch me be that. Cause I am what I am. It's in me, not on me. You don't understand, but I do understand. So it's cool. I'ma do me. My nigga just do you. Heart of a lion, I ain't lying, I'm all true. Shit. And it ain't nothing new. True to my religion, and nigga, I ain't talking dinner. Bitch niggas and bitches, nah, I don't befriend them. Niggas ain't focused and niggas just don't notice how it feels to be burned when you leave yourself wide open. Shit's crazy, a little made. But this shit never fails to amaze me. I'm Swayze. And you niggas fugazi, but you niggas don't faze me.
My life has always been a mess, but still I feel blessed. My life has always been a mess, but still I feel blessed. Fuck that stress.
Sometimes I feel like everyone's against me. And every single night I'm repenting. They say that I got an attitude, and lately I've been feeling kinda rude. Let's say I switched up and I act brand new, but maybe I'm defensive, cause everyone's offensive. And I don't wanna do nothing reckless, so I'm restless.
My life has always been a mess, but still I feel blessed. My life has always been a mess, but still I feel blessed. Fuck that stress.